to another episode of Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie. We're here at Muddy River Distillery. We got my amazing wife, Caroline. Thank God she's back making videos of me. It's been a long road of Jake and Jeff and I. But you're back. Kids are independent now, right? Off to college?
No, it'll be a long time before that.
Yeah. 6 months going on 18.
Yes.
Anyway, we're getting into the fall season. Caroline has made us some awesome fall cocktails. Caroline, what are you making today?
Today we're doing a lovely sparkling rum cider. I'm calling Queen City Sparkling Rum Cider.
Named after our city and the Queen Charlotte's Reserve Carolina rum that we're putting in this. Queen Charlotte's Reserve is why we are a rum distillery to this day. We wanted to make an amazing sipping rum, the gateway rum for the whiskey drinker. That's our Queen Charlotte's Reserve. Very proud of that. What other ingredients are you putting in this cocktail today?
We are going to use sparkling cider here to give it a little bubble, and fresh squeezed orange juice as well. Then top it off with a little pumpkin pie spice. And I'll talk more about that when we dump it on.
Awesome. All right, so we're doing this in coffee mugs, but this is a cold drink, right? So this is just to make them easier to hold?
I just like it, yeah. And it's easier to see in there, fun color, fall color.
So I'm guessing step one is put ice.
Put ice in the glasses for us, please. And then, he likes a lot of ice.
That's the right way to do it.
We're gonna do 2 ounces of Queen Charlotte's Reserve for each, please, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I don't want ice poking me in the nose, though, when I drink it.
That's your problem.
That's fine. Fabulous. Don't waste it. And then for the orange juice, also 2 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. So chop those babies up.
Big old oranges too.
Yeah.
Put this in our juicer like this. That confuses a lot of people. It looks like it's upside down.
I always do that wrong, yeah.
How many, 2 ounces?
2 ounces, yeah.
Look at that zest coming out. Someone give me a lighter. That thing doesn't fit.
I told you.
You need a grapefruit squeezer.
Nice.
I'm gonna say that's 2 ounces there, and then I'll cut one up for myself.
Lovely.
It's a knife. It's been through some stuff.
It has.
It's seen some.
The tip's broken off from me shanking you.
Still there. That's why I keep getting through airport security.
And while you're doing that, I'll plug the Muddy River Fest, Saturday, November 6th. We're gonna have bands out front. We have Euphonic and Sun-Dried Vibes, also food trucks, cocktails from Muddy River, and some local breweries and cideries. So come help us celebrate our 10-year anniversary.
Turning 10, oldest legal rum distillery in the Carolinas, and we're just 10 years old. That's super cool. Legal. Anyway. All
right, and then we're gonna top it off with the sparkling cider.
Okay.
Choose about 3 to 4 ounces of that. Perfect.
Got it.
And I'd say give it a little stir here. And then we can garnish with a cinnamon stick. And we'll do a little pumpkin pie spice too. So they sell this at the grocery store too, pumpkin pie spice. It just does the right proportions and mixes cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice together.
Yeah, the grocery store?
Yeah.
Cool.
Just gives it a little more touch of fall there. Lovely to smell when you drink.
Cool,
well,
so that's it?
Yeah, Queen City Sparkling Rum Cider.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our information about our 10-year anniversary festival, November 6th, by the way. You can find our rum in your local liquor store. If you don't see it there, we ask you to ask your store for it. It's available based on its demand. So we also do tours of this facility if you want to come out and see us. We are officially open as the only business in Gaston County to sell liquor on Sundays by the bottle. So come see us on your Sunday. Get your pregame cocktail on.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching. Cheers. Happy fall.
Cheers.
Wifey.
Like a smaller,
I got
knife.
the sugar shank.
No, I don't think that
I
one's.
tell you, I made that sugar shank
I'm not surprised.
from a barrel. No, a pallet and a saw blade.
I mean, it looks like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shank you.
Yeah, I know you want to.
That's a good blooper.
All right, dudes. Are you already recording?
We're rolling. So
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Ah!
talk about the bloopers. Huh?
You got the bloopers.